Good morning, students. Now we are going to take class 4, standard 12, English. The poem called On the World Stage by William Shakespeare. In the previous video, we saw first and second stage of life. Today we are going to see the third and fourth stage of life. Okay. We saw the first stage called the infant stage, and the second one is the schoolboy stage. Okay, remaining we will see. Okay, so here unwillingly to school, it's a second stage of a schoolboy. Okay, and then the lover sighing like furnace with a woeful ballad made to his mistress eyebrow. So in these lines, the poet wants to express his thoughts and feelings about third stage, that is called the lover stage. Third stage is called the lover stage. Most of the people, I mean 50% or 58% of people who are in the age group of 15 to 20 will fall in love. Okay, the remaining people also fall in love when they enter the college. That is called the third stage, I mean the lover stage. Each and everyone having this experience in their life. Without this experience, no one will be in this. Okay. So here the lover stage, most of the, before we are going to see this lover stage, we can see the images here. Okay. So this is 7 stages of life. So here we can start from here. It's an infant stage. It's a schoolboy stage. This is a lover stage. Okay. So here the poet says a lot of things about the lover stage. So here the lover, I mean an individual person, he want to spend most of his time with his beloved one. And then he want to wear new dresses with good hairstyles. He want to be smart before his or her lover. So here this is called the lover stage. And then we can say he want to spend his time with her in beach or park. Like that he want to spend his time. In college days, most of they are enjoying the third stage called the lover stage. So here what Shakespeare says about this stage means here, sighing like furnace with a woeful ballad. So here that is, you want to insist the readers about the activity, I mean the reaction of the lover. So what he says here means, here sighing like furnace. When the lover had a thought about his beloved one, he used to have sighing. The word sighing means here deep breath. The word sighing means deep breath. Okay. So here sighing means deep breath like furnace. The word furnace means here you can say high temperature. When he had a thought and feeling about his beloved one, he have furnace or high temperature with a woeful ballad. So here, out of his love, he want to express a love and feeling to his beloved one or beloved one. He used to do woeful ballads with woeful ballads. Woeful means we can say unhappy. Unhappy ballad. Ballad means song. You like to hear a lot of sad songs. I mean unhappy. Woeful means sad songs. Okay, like that here the poet says woeful ballads made to his mistress eyebrow. And the next line says, the lover used to hear, he liked to hear sad songs when he was alone, when he had feelings and thinking about lover, he used to hear a lot of sad songs. Okay, so here and then, may to his mistress I go. So the lover would like to write a lot of poems, lot of letters about his beloved one. Okay, so that's what here poet says about his mistress I grew. He want to write a song, a poem or letters about describing about her mistress. Here the word mistress means lovers. I grew. Here the topic is I grew. He want to write a poem or letter about his beloved one. About his I grew. So this is what the poet says about the third stage. I hope you all understood. So here the third stage, the lover stage here, we have the image like this. 7 phases of love, falling in love, coupling, sorrow, deepening, genuine bonding, comfort, true, enduring. These are all the 7 phases of love. Most of an individual like to have. Okay. And then a soldier. Full of strange oaths and bearded like the part, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. So here, these lines talks about the fourth stage. The fourth stage is a soldier's stage. This is called fourth stage. It's a soldier's stage. Okay. Poet says lot of things about here a soldier. So in general we can talk about the soldier. We can discuss about the soldier means he should promise, he should sacrifice his entire life to the nation. He is ready to do anything for the nation for the sake of our protection. The soldier is ready to do anything for our nation. Okay. So here the line says, a soldier having full of strange. A soldier is nothing but a brave person, courageous, boldness, and everything he needs to be a soldier. So here, full of strange oaths. At the beginning time, he should promise that he is going to sacrifice his entire life to his nation. So here, full of strange oaths. The word oaths means promise. So oaths means promise. He used to have a lot of promise about his life to the nation. And then bearded like the pond. So here, the word pond means leopard. We all know the animal called leopard. The leopard is known for his braveness, his boldness. We can see it's a very ferocious animal. It's having a lot of strength and power to fight against the other animals. So it is known for its power, okay, we can say. So here the poet compares the fourth stage called a soldier to the pond, leopard, for its braveness, boldness, courageous, and ferocious. Okay, like that he said, and bearded like the pond. So here a soldier is compared with the leopard. So here the figure of speech is simile. It's a shown comparison. The comparison between two things. We can identify this comparison with the help of the word called like. Okay. So here the soldier is compared to leopard for his toughness. Okay. So leopard, and then jealous in honor, the activity of the soldier. Here the poet said the activity of the soldier. What's the activity of the soldier here? Jealous in honor. Honor means respect. He want to hold a very high position. He want to be a respected person among others. So that's why he said he have a lot of jealous in honors. He want to become a honorable person. He want to become a respected person before others. Like the father, he have a lot of jealous in honor. Sudden and quick in quarrel. So the soldier have this quality. What is the quality means here? Quarrel. Quarrel means fight. The word quarrel means fight. So here sudden and quick in quarrel. So he want to hold an high position and respected position before others. For that, the soldier is always ready to fight with others. Fight with sudden and quick, because he is a very courageous person. He is a very boldest person. So at any time he is ready to sacrifice his life for with fighting others. Okay, and then seeking the bubble reputation. The next activity of the soldier is seeking, means searching the bubble reputation. Bubble means empty, you can say. Here the word reputation means name and fame, you can say. Name or fame. To earn good name, to have good fame. So here the soldier is ready to protect their people, to protect their nation. Okay, so he is ready to fight with others. He is ready to sacrifice his entire life for his nation. So seeking the bubble reputation, for you want to hold a high position, you want to be a respected person, you want to save his country. For that, he is seeking the good name, I mean reputation. And the next line says, even in the cannon's mouth. So here, the last line says, the soldier is ready to stand before the mouth of the gun. You can say, front of the guns. He is ready to sacrifice his entire life for his country. That's why here the poem says, even in the cannons. So cannons means, here we can say guns. Front of the guns. Okay. So okay, here one thing I want to say here, where to his mistress I go. So here is a comma, mistress I go. So here it is a possessive pronoun. Okay, you remind that mistress. Say possessive pronoun. So here these are all the activities said by a poet called William Shakespeare about this two stage. I mean, the first stage is called the lover and the second stage is called the soldier. Okay, dear students, I hope you are all understood. You do one thing, you should write 5 sentences about this third stage and the fourth stage by your own, and then you shall send to our group. Okay, we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.